After 50, your heart needs extra care. But the good news is, these 7 simple foods can keep your heart young, strong, and full of life. Close quote. Open quote. Welcome to Golden Years Health, where we share simple, science-backed diet tips for healthy living after 50. Let's explore the foods that protect your heart and add more energy to your golden years. Oats. Open quote. Start your morning with oats. They're full of fiber that helps lower bad cholesterol and keeps your arteries clean. 1 bowl a day can make a big difference. Close quote. Salmon. Open quote. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon reduces inflammation and supports heart rhythm. Try eating it twice a week for a younger, stronger heart. Close quote. Berries. Open quote. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, all loaded with antioxidants that protect your heart from damage. Add a handful to your morning yogurt or smoothie. Close quote. Olive oil. Open quote. Replace butter with olive oil. It's packed with healthy fats that lower cholesterol and improve blood flow. Close quote. Nuts, especially walnuts and almonds. Open quote. A small handful of nuts every day can reduce the risk of heart disease by 30%. But remember, don't overeat. They're high in calories. Close quote. Leafy green vegetables. Open quote. Spinach, kale, and collard greens are full of vitamins and minerals that keep blood pressure in control. Close quote. Dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or more. Open quote. Yes, you can enjoy chocolate in moderation. It improves blood circulation and reduces stress hormones. Close quote. Open quote. Your heart is your lifetime partner. Take care of it with every meal. Subscribe to Golden Years Health for more simple diet tips to stay active, strong, and full of life after 50. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you in the next video.